Microsoft CEO says AI will automate 50% of tasks. But what does that mean for solo founders? Let's break it down. As a solo founder, you wear many hats. But what if you could automate half of your tasks? In this video, we'll explore Microsoft CEO AI automation prediction and create a step-by-step guide to identifying and automating tasks in your solo business using AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to streamline your workflow and free up more time for high-leverage activities. To start automating tasks, you need to identify which tasks are candidates for automation. One way to do this is to track your time for a week and categorize your tasks into repetitive, time-consuming, and high-leverage activities. Repetitive tasks, such as data entry or bookkeeping, are prime candidates for automation. Time-consuming tasks, such as research or content creation, can be partially automated using AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. High-leverage activities, such as strategy or client relationships, are best left to human judgment. By categorizing your tasks, you'll be able to see which areas of your business can benefit from automation. Once you've identified the tasks you want to automate, it's time to choose the right AI tool for the job. For repetitive tasks, tools like Zapier or Make can help you automate workflows by connecting different apps and services. For example, you can use Zapier to automate the process of saving email attachments to Google Drive or Make to automate the process of sending invoices to clients. For time-consuming tasks, tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you generate content or automate research. For instance, you can use Jasper to generate social media posts or Copy.ai to automate the process of writing blog articles. By choosing the right tools, you'll be able to automate tasks efficiently and effectively. Now that you've chosen the right tools, it's time to set up your automation workflows. This involves connecting your apps and services, setting up triggers and actions, and testing your workflows. For example, if you want to automate the process of saving email attachments to Google Drive, you'll need to connect your email account to Zapier, set up a trigger to save attachments, and test the workflow to make sure it's working correctly. Similarly, if you want to automate the process of generating social media posts using Jasper, you'll need to connect your social media accounts, set up a trigger to generate posts, and test the workflow to make sure it's working correctly. By setting up your automation workflows, you'll be able to automate tasks and free up more time for high-leverage activities. One of the key benefits of automating tasks is that it can help you scale your business more efficiently. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, you'll be able to focus on high-leverage activities like strategy, client relationships, and product development. For example, if you're a solo founder who offers social media management services, you can use automation tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to automate the process of scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and monitoring analytics. This will free up more time for you to focus on high-leverage activities like developing new services, acquiring new clients, and improving your overall business strategy. By scaling your business more efficiently, you'll be able to achieve your goals faster and more sustainably. Another benefit of automating tasks is that it can help you reduce errors and improve accuracy. When you automate repetitive tasks, you'll be able to reduce the likelihood of human error and improve the overall quality of your work. For example, if you're a solo founder who offers bookkeeping services, you can use automation tools like QuickBooks or Xero to automate the process of invoicing clients, tracking expenses, and reconciling accounts. This will help you reduce errors, improve accuracy, and provide better services to your clients. By reducing errors and improving accuracy, you'll be able to build trust with your clients and establish a reputation for excellence in your industry. As you start automating tasks, it's essential to monitor and adjust your workflows regularly. This involves tracking the performance of your automation tools, identifying areas for improvement, and making adjustments as needed. For example, if you're using Zapier to automate the process of saving email attachments to Google Drive, you'll need to monitor the workflow to make sure it's working correctly and adjust the settings as needed. Similarly, if you're using Jasper to automate the process of generating social media posts, you'll need to monitor the performance of the posts and adjust the settings to improve engagement and reach. By monitoring and adjusting your workflows, you'll be able to optimize your automation workflows and achieve better results. Finally, it's essential to consider the potential risks and limitations of automating tasks. For example, if you're using AI tools to automate repetitive tasks, you'll need to consider the potential for job displacement or the impact on your business's reputation. Similarly, if you're using automation tools to automate high-leverage activities, you'll need to consider the potential for decreased creativity or innovation. By considering the potential risks and limitations, you'll be able to mitigate them and ensure that your automation workflows are aligned with your business goals and values. For instance, you can use tools like Grammarly or 11 Labs to automate the process of editing and proofreading content, but you'll still need to review and approve the final output to ensure it meets your quality standards. To get the most out of automation, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your business goals and objectives. This involves identifying your key performance indicators, KPIs, setting clear targets, and establishing a system for tracking progress. By having a clear understanding of your business goals, you'll be able to align your automation workflows with your objectives and achieve better results. For example, if your goal is to increase sales revenue by 20% in the next quarter, you can use automation tools like Canva or Pictory to automate the process of creating marketing materials, such as social media posts, email campaigns, or video ads. By tracking your progress and adjusting your automation workflows as needed, you'll be able to stay on track and achieve your business goals. In conclusion, automating tasks can be a powerful way to streamline your workflow, free up more time for high-leverage activities, and achieve your business goals. By identifying the right tasks to automate, choosing the right tools, setting up your automation workflows, and monitoring and adjusting your workflows regularly, you'll be able to optimize your automation workflows and achieve better results. Remember to consider the potential risks and limitations of automation, and to have a clear understanding of your business goals and objectives. With the right approach, you can use automation to take your business to the next level and achieve success. For instance, you can use tools like Runway or HeyGen to automate the process of creating video content, such as explainer videos or social media clips, and use tools like Behave or Gumroad to automate the process of selling digital products.